Hi, my name is Jennifer Penrose, and I just wanted to invite you to our Balance in Falls workshop that we are hosting. What it is for someone who is noticing that their balance is not what it should be. You become a little bit less willing to go places and do things. You're having a hard time keeping up potentially, or maybe you even had a few little stumbles and falls, and you want to see how your balance is. We're going to do a couple of tests and screening and talk a little bit about all the systems that affect balance and factors that play a role into balance. And it would be a great way to come down and see what we're all about, and give you some tips and some exercises you can start to work on, and even to see if you need to do more than just that to get you more mobile and as active as you would like to be. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll have some contests, and you'll get to meet the team. It would be fantastic to have you register for the workshop and learn some things about balance that you potentially don't even know about. So happy to help, and we look forward to seeing you at our Balance in Falls workshop. All right, thanks.